Our tutorial today is how to make this crop top you see on your screen. It is an open back crop top with straps that run through the back to hold it together. Previously, I dropped a tutorial on how to make the short and I'll link it to this video. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by, and please feel free to join the family by subscribing to this YouTube channel. At the end of the video, if you find this video helpful, please like and share with your friends. So let's go straight to the tutorial. So we're going to start with a slip knot, and to do that you just use your hook to hold the yarn this way, hold the tail and these other parts, then yarn over, pull through and loosen the other parts, hold, yarn over, pull through and tighten it. Okay, then we are going to chain up 62. So guys, here I have my 62 chains. I'm going to measure to show you how many inches that I have. So I have exactly 16 inches. For row 1, we're going to skip 1, 2, 3. Going to skip 3 chains and go over to the fourth and make 1 double crochet. Now the 3 chains that we skipped count as a double crochet. Okay, so this is the second one. We're gonna continue making 1 double crochet in the remaining stitches that we have. I'll meet you at the end of the row. So guys, I'm here at the end of the first row and this is what our work looks like. For the second row, we're going to chain up 3, turn, skip this because a 3 chain counts as a double crochet. In that next space, you're gonna make 1 double crochet and continue with the 1 double crochet until you get to the end of the row. I'm here at the end of the second row. To finish up, I'm going to make my last double crochet on top of the third chain. For row 3, we're going to chain 3 and turn, skip this stitch and go over to the next and make 1 double crochet. So this is just a repetition of the second row. Okay, I'll meet you at the end of the third row. So guys, I'm here at the end of the third row. I'll finish up by making my last 1 double crochet on top of the third chain, but I'll stop right here because we are switching to a new color. Okay, so grab the new color and use it to finish that up, then tie a knot twice to secure the connection. For the fourth row, chain up 3, turn, skip the first space and go over to the second and make 1 double crochet. So continue with the 1 double crochet until you get to the end of the row. This is still a repetition of the second row, so continue going, to the end of the row, chain 3, come back. We'll meet you in the end of row 6 to show you what to do next. So guys, I'm here at the end of the 6th row. We're going to stop right here and switch over to the new color. So I'm going to use it to finish up this last double crochet and tie a knot. Then for the 7th row, we're going to make some increases. So you're gonna chain up 3. After the 3 chains, we will turn and we're going to make an increase. The 3 chain counts as a double crochet. We're going to add one more double crochet in that same space. This time around, I'm going to be hiding this along. Okay, so one more double crochet in that same space. Then go ahead and make one double crochet until you have only one stitch left at the end of the row. I'll meet you there to show you what to do next. Okay guys, so I'm here at the end of the row. You're gonna repeat this row 7 until you get to row 18, and I'll meet you there to show you what to do next. Don't forget, each color just have 3 double crochets. That is your increase for this side of the row. So go ahead and chain up 3 and make your increase in this side as well. So continue until you have one stitch left. Here you make your increase. So guys, I'm here at the end of the 18th row and I have exactly 84 double crochets. Okay, so for the next, the last, which is 19, I'll chain 1 and turn. Then I'll make 1 single crochet in that same space just right here. And I'll go ahead with the 1 single crochet across the remaining stitches. So guys, I'm here at the end of the 19th row. I'll just make my last single crochet on top of the 3rd chain right here. To continue, we're going to chain up 1 and make a single crochet in that 1 single crochet space just here. After this, I'll go over to this large space, skipping this, go over to this large space and make 2 single crochet. Then in this other space, I'll go into this line that connected the 17th and the 18th row and make a single crochet in there. Then in this large space, I'll make 1 single crochet. Okay, so the reason why I'm doing it like this is because this is where the strap is gonna go through, so I need this one to be large. The ones that the straps are not gonna go through, I'm just making it normal. In this connection between the 16th and the 17th row, I'm going to make a single crochet, and in this large space I'll make a single crochet. but I'll stop right here. Then bring the other color of yarn and use it to finish that up. And I'll tie a knot twice to secure the connection. So this is not compulsory, okay? I just want everything to be, this is just how I want it. So it's not compulsory, okay? So since I'm gonna have a connection here, so like my strap is gonna go through here, so I'll go right into that big space and make 2 single crochet. Okay, so after this I'll go into the next space. In the connection between these and this, I'll make 1 single crochet. Then I'll go straight into this space and make 1 single crochet. Okay, then I'm going to make 200 to 250 chains. I'll meet you when I'm done with my chains. I'm done with mine and I have exactly 250 chains, and I'll chain 1 more, then make 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So I'll continue making 1 single crochet until I get to the end of the chain right here, and I'll meet you here to show you what to do next. So we are going to continue right now. I'll go into this space and make a single crochet, then continue making the single crochet along until I get to the end of the row. I'll meet you here to show you what to do next. I'm here at the end of the row, but I still have 1 space left, so I'm gonna make my 250 chains just like we did here. Chain 1 and make your single crochet all the way down here, and I'll meet you when I'm back down here to show you what to do next. So guys, I'm done with my single crochet on the chains. I'll go into the last stitch right here and make a single crochet. Then I will make a single crochet in the big space and a single crochet in the space connecting the first and the second row. Then in this big space, in the space connecting the second and the third. In the 19th row, which is the single crochet row, you're gonna make a single crochet right here and slip stitch on this particular single crochet, and chain one and one again, that's chain two, and cut the yarn, pull it out and hide the tail. So loves, we've come to the end of today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Of course you did. For you to stay to the end of the video, that means you did. Okay, please like, comment and share with your friends. And also, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you don't get missed out anytime I upload the video. Okay, so bye for now. See you in my next video. Stay safe. Love you. Mwah.